Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, children. Children, I have completed in EVS chapter 8 and chapter 9, children, right? That is my house and food lesson. Yes? Now, what we do today, we will complete textbook part. Practice zone 1, 2, we will complete. And 3 also, if time permits. Okay? Nana, everyone open your textbooks and page number 103. Turn the page number 103, children. Okay? Now, here in the textbook, practice on 1. Match column A with column B is there, right? Practice zone 1. Match column A with column B is there. Here column A and column B is there, right, children? Now, we will do the matching now. Okay, children? The first one, what is there here? We cook our food in. Where we cook our food? Where your mother cook food, children? In the kitchen room. Here kitchen room. Here kitchen is there, no? You have to keep here A. Okay, children? And next, coming to second, B1. We eat our meals in. We eat our meals in. Where we eat our meals? Observe all these words, children. Where we eat our meals? We eat our meals in dining room, right? Dining room. You have to put B here, B. Now, C1, coming to C1. We study in. Study in here. Study room, C. You have to keep this C here. Study room. Next, we take bath in. D1 is we take bath in. Where do we take bath? We take bath in bathroom. We have to keep D here. Okay. Right, children? Now, E1. We welcome our friends and relatives in. We welcome our friends and relatives in which room, children? Drawing room, right? E1. You have to keep here E. Next. We sleep and take rest in. Where do you sleep and take rest, children? In the bedroom, right? Where is the bedroom? Bedroom. Here, bedroom. F. There it is, right? You have to keep here F. Next, coming to, we store our things in. Where do we store our things? We store our things in storeroom. Where is storeroom, children? Can you see? See this one. This is storeroom. Here G have to keep. Okay, now we will write up. Number 1 is everyone look at the board. Practice show 1. First one is in the box you have to write. First one is E. A1 is B, A1 is B, B1 is D, C1 is G, okay, and D1 is B again, B, and E, and E is A. F is C here and is F. Once again, children, E, D, G, E, A, C, F. You have to write in order. Okay, children? Now, turn your page number 105. That is 105. Fill in the blanks. You will see fill-ups. Children, I'll ask you, you have to say, you have to write on your own. Okay? We should keep our rooms neat and dash. Neat and, I will say, clean. Write on. Write page 2. One is clean. What is the spelling of clean? C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Now next, we dust. Sorry, I said the answer. Okay. We should dash our rooms regularly. We should dash our rooms regularly. Dust. What is that? Dust. D-U-S-T, dust. Okay, now. Third. Now we should dash garbage in the dustbins. What you have to do? Say the answer. Okay, I will say. We should throw. Always throw the dust in the dustbin. Okay, children. Now we must keep doors and windows dashed during the day. We must open the windows. We must open the windows. Got it, children? Now, practice zone, fill in the blanks are completed. Now we will see practice zone 3. Okay, children, practice zone 3. Now, put a right for the correct statement and for the wrong statement, children. Okay? Now, first one is, we should touch electrical switches with wet hand. Is it correct way? What will happen if you touch the electrical switches with a wet hand? You will get shocked, right? Yes. Is it a correct statement or wrong statement, children? Huh? Wrong. Zone 3. In the box you have to write wrong statement. A1 for A1. Okay, children? Now B1. We should not play with sharp things. We should not play with sharp things. This is correct only, huh? Wrong. Correct step. You have to put it right. Okay? And we should not jump on staircase. Yes, it is also a correct statement. If you jump on the staircases or stairs, you will fall down, children. Don't jump like that. We should scatter toys on the floor. We should scatter toys on the floor. Ante, what is that? Means we should scatter toys on the floor means don't keep your toys on the floor here and there, or don't throw the toys on the floor here and there. Is it correct or not? He is asking. We should scatter toys on the floor. What is the statement? Run. You put into one. Cross one. No. Okay. Now with this we completed practice on 1, 2, 3 from the lesson number My House in the textbook, children. Okay, children? Complete this in your textbook and I will share you the notes regarding this lesson and 9th lesson also. Okay, and part 1 also we will see, children. Now, in the next class, I will share you some more notes with you. Till then, bye, children. Thank you.